Hey guys, this is just a quick video on how to replace the screen in a broken Toshiba Satellite C650D. So first thing you're going to want to do is take the battery out, make sure it's unplugged. So the only tools you're going to need for this are some sort of sharp knife and a star screwdriver. So on the screen there are 4 screw covers which are just held on with a bit of glue. So you can use that sharp knife and pull those off. Once you get the 4 screws out, you should be able to pop the, if you insert something into the side, you can pop the bezel loose. Just be careful not to snap the plastic. So you take the bezel right off. Next thing you're going to want to do is right along the side of the screen. There are 3 screws on each side, one at the top, one down here, one at the bottom. So we'll remove those. Right, once those 4 screws are out, just if you got something soft to lay down, and then just tip your screen forward, careful not to pull it too hard. What you're going to do is, careful for any tape that may be holding this on, gently pull up, and then you're going to pull the connector out of the socket. So there's a little piece of Scotch tape holding it on. Lay that back to the side, and then here's our old broken screen taken out. Put it out the way. So this is our brand new screen from the Screen Country. So we're going to lay it down in the same direction with that connector pointing towards where the screen will end up. I'm going to take this old piece of tape off. If I can. Let's reuse the old piece of tape. So you want to line this connector up nice and straight, and very gently slide it in nice and flush. I like to add a new piece of tape, just make sure that stays nice and secure. So before I put this up, I'm going to take this tape off the side, which is just holding the plastic on the front. Being careful to put the everything in the right direction. Alright, so now we just have to reinstall the 6 screws on the side of the monitor. Alright, so we've got our screws all put in. I'm just going to tip this back down on the flat. And we're going to replace the bezel. Actually, just tip the screen back as far as it'll go, just to get these plastic pieces to fit over the hinges on first. And then, before I forget, let's just finish removing the plastic covering first. And then I usually start at the center, work around, and you can just snap the bezel back on with your fingers. Alright, just lay it back down flat. We'll put the 4 case screws back in that hold the bezel down. And then the last step is to just replace these screw covers. They should still be sticky enough to just stick right back onto the screws where they were. Back so sticky they won't come off the knife. This thing, I'm going to replace the battery. Fully functioning screen. No longer broken. Thanks for watching.